Understanding roof pitch in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a common phrase in construction and architecture: roof pitch. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to identify it in real life. Let's dive into the world of roofs and angles. Roof pitch refers to the steepness or incline of a roof. It's not just a way to describe a roof, it's a vital measurement used by builders and architects. The pitch is important because it determines how well a roof sheds rain and snow, and it can also affect the overall look of a building. Roof pitch is usually expressed as a ratio of its vertical rise to its horizontal span, or run, written as x in 1/2. This means for every 12 inches horizontally, the run, the roof rises x inches vertically, the rise. For example, a 4 in 12 pitch means the roof rises 4 inches for every 12 inches it runs. There are various types of roof pitches, from flat roofs, which have almost no pitch, to steep roofs that can be more than 12 in 1/2. A moderate pitch is common in residential homes and is often between 4 in 12 and 8 in 1/2. Understanding roof pitch is crucial for several reasons. Weather resistance. The pitch affects how a roof stands up to the weather, especially snow and rain. Aesthetic appeal. The steepness can dramatically change the look of a home. Maintenance and repair. Knowing the pitch helps in planning for roof maintenance and repairs. I hope this video clarifies what roof pitch means and why it's such a key concept in building design. Next time you look at a house, try to guess the roof pitch and remember how it impacts both function and style. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.